Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This time we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be buying a pre-built keyboard and changing some stuff out. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Akko 3068B. This is the black and pink version with jelly purples. And we got really lucky here because the person I'm building this for wanted like a 65% keyboard with the jelly purples. So when we found this thing, it was kind of just a no-brainer. So like I mentioned before, this is a 65% layout, which is perfect for us just because we wanted the arrow keys, which is important. Keycap profile is an ASA profile, which is actually quite nice with this keyboard, but we wanted something that was an XDA profile as usual with my builds, but this is what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty good. So let's just do a quick sound test while it's stock before I open it up and change a few things. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, actually it's not that bad, considering that this is like a fairly cheap keyboard. Stock sounds pretty dang good. The stabilizers are a little bit okay. I will need to do a little bit of work on those as well, but they aren't too bad out of the box. I think this one should be a pretty straightforward build. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a disassembly on this keyboard, try and see what's going on. That way I can figure out what I want to do with it. So now that we have the keyboard disassembled, we could take apart the plate and the PCB, which reveals the plate foam. I'm very happy that they included this. Huge plus on Akko. So here's a quick look at the stabilizers. We could tell that they're pre-clipped, which is nice, and lubed, but we'll be removing that and replacing that with my own lube. And here's a closer look at the hot swap PCB as well. And here's a quick look at some of the jelly purple switches from Akko. Yeah, they're kind of like a nice tactile bump to it. It's a heavy tactile, but as soon as you pass that bump, it's very light, and I really like that. I'm not really a huge tactile person myself, but I think this might just pull me over. So as I open up these switches, I do notice that they are unlubed, which is fine. Going ahead and like lubing them myself, I kind of prefer them to be unlubed at first, just so I can not have to worry about like removing any excess lube and whatnot. I'm just gonna speed up this process because I'm sure this is pretty boring for y'all. I'm just gonna try and keep this video short for everybody. So I'm just gonna skip towards the B-roll of the video and hope you guys enjoy it. With the B-roll out of the way, let's just do some quick sound testing and see how it compares to the stock keyboard versus it now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this keyboard build. I do have some more keyboard stuff in the works, so please subscribe so you can check it out. Thanks. Bye.